Do your hands tingle like they're falling asleep, but the feeling never fully goes away? Do your legs feel weak, heavy, or shaky, especially when you stand up or walk? It might not just be getting older, it could be a sign that your body is running low on one powerful protein, collagen. Today, I will show you 8 tasty collagen-rich snacks that can help restore strength to your legs, improve nerve function in your hands, and support your joints naturally. Stick around to the end because I will also share the number one mistake people make that keeps their collagen levels low, even when they are eating the right foods. As we start, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Greenell channel, and turn on your notification bell so you can be notified when there is a new upload on the channel. Collagen is like the glue that holds your body together. It keeps your skin firm, your joints cushioned, your muscles strong, and your nerves protected. But here's the problem. After the age of 25, your body starts making less collagen every year. By your 50s and 60s, you could be making less than half of what you did in your 20s. Without enough collagen, your nerves lose their protective coating. Blood flow to your hands and feet decreases, and your muscles and joints weaken, which can cause tingling, numbness, or that heavy leg feeling. Number one snack is the bone broth. If your hands tingle or your legs feel weak after just a short walk, it could be a sign your nerves and muscles are crying out for support. One of the most powerful natural remedies you can give your body is bone broth. Made by simmering animal bones for hours, bone broth is rich in type 1 and type 3 collagen, the very proteins your body uses to build strong connective tissues, protect nerves, and strengthen blood vessels. And here is the beauty. Unlike supplements, bone broth also provides minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which help with nerve signal transmission and muscle contractions. Enjoy it warm in the evening or use it as a base for soups and stews. Just a few cups a week can make a noticeable difference in your strength and steadiness. Snack 2, chicken skin. For years, we were told to throw away chicken skin because it was unhealthy. But science now says otherwise, in moderation. Chicken skin is a collagen-rich super snack. It's particularly high in type 2 collagen, which supports joint cartilage and reduces stiffness, meaning you can move more easily without that heavy, dragging feeling in your legs. Chicken skin also contains healthy fats that improve the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin A and E, both vital for nerve health. The trick is to roast or air fry it until crispy instead of deep frying in unhealthy oils. Pair it with a salad and you have a delicious collagen packed snack your body will thank you for. 3. Sardines. If you've ever ignored sardines because of their strong flavor, it might be time to reconsider. Sardines are loaded with collagen from their skin and tiny bones, plus omega-3 fatty acids that protect your nerves from inflammation. They are also high in vitamin D and calcium, which work with collagen to keep your bones strong, reducing the risk of weakness and falls. Eat them with a squeeze of lemon or mash them into a spread for whole grain crackers. Just 2 servings a week can make your hands feel steadier and your legs less wobbly. 4. Pork rinds. Most people think of pork rinds as junk food, but in reality, natural baked pork rinds are surprisingly powerful collagen source. They contain almost 7 grams of collagen protein per ounce, which can help rebuild weakened connective tissue in your joints and muscles. Collagen works like a repair crew for your body, filling in microscopic tears in muscle fibers, strengthening ligaments, and even improving the insulation around your nerves. This is essential for reducing tingling in your hands and weakness in your legs. The key is choosing pork rinds that are oven baked, not deep fried, and without harmful oils or MSG. Pair them with guacamole or Greek yogurt dip for a satisfying snack that fuels your strength instead of army it. Greek yogurt with berries. While Greek yogurt doesn't contain collagen itself, it's packed with amino acids like proline and glycine, which are the building blocks your body uses to make collagen naturally. Adding a handful of berries like blueberries or strawberries loads you up with vitamin C, the essential vitamin your body needs to turn those amino acids into actual collagen fibers. Without enough vitamin C, your body simply can't produce collagen efficiently. This combo not only supports nerve and muscle health but also improves digestion and gut health. Another factor in how well your body absorbs nutrients for tissue repair. Make it a mid-morning or evening snack and you'll be giving your collagen factory all the raw materials it needs. Beef jerky. A lot of people think beef jerky is just road trip food, but good quality grass-fed beef jerky is a collagen powerhouse. It contains type 1 and type 3 collagen, both crucial for strong tendons, flexible joints, and stable leg muscles. Beef jerky is also rich in zinc, a mineral that plays a big role in nerve regeneration and healing. If your tingling is linked to nerve damage from aging, zinc and collagen together can help speed up recovery. Choose jerky with no added sugars or nitrates, and you will have a high protein on the go snack that's perfect for keeping your energy up without spiking your blood sugar. 7. Hard-boiled eggs. Eggs have little collagen in their whites, but the egg yolk and eggshell membrane are full of collagen and nutrients that protect nerves and muscles. The yolk is rich in choline, a nutrient your body uses to make acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that ensures smooth muscle contractions and prevents switching or weakness. When eaten regularly, hard-boiled eggs give your body the amino acids plus healthy fats needed to repair tissue damage and improve nerve communication, making them an affordable and easy daily snack. Collagen protein bites. If you want a sweet but healthy way to boost collagen, homemade collagen protein bites are the way to go. Made by mixing collagen peptide powder with nut butter, oats, and a bit of honey. These bites give you a direct, highly absorbable form of collagen because collagen peptides are already broken down. Your body can use them almost immediately for nerve repair, muscle recovery, and joint lubrication. Plus, you can store them in the fridge for a quick grab and go snack whenever your energy dips. They are proof that snacks can taste indulgent while being medicinal at the same time. Your body has an incredible ability to repair itself when you give it the right tools. And these collagen rich snacks are a great place to start. Which one will you try first? Tell me in the comments. And if you found this helpful, hit the like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more natural health tips that keep you strong from head to toe. Thank you for watching to the end. I hope to see you in the next one. Green Health Cares.